have said that wrong, but of course, when was the last time you ever heard this kind of car before? Except maybe in the old school movie Fast Times at Ridgemont High, featuring Brad Hamilton driving his four-door baby blue hardtop Lesabre. Of course, luckily I'm not that loser sitting in a fast food chain or wearing a stupid Pirates outfit, but of course driving with Skyway Classics with some beautiful ladies and enjoying a nice time. Other than that, the one we have here featuring a convertible baby blue exterior, chrome wheels. Of course, as you can see, it is a power top from the accessory. Other than that, moving on to the interior now, featuring the matching blue along with the seats, almost like a 50s diner design actually. Other than that, you got the old school steering wheel, old school radio, old school gauges. Very unique to have in this kind of car. In fact, actually, this thing's still working. I didn't even know that you could have a speed indicator with this kind of car. That's how cool this car really is. But other than that, you got the crank windows, you got the crank vent windows, you got that very comfortable bench seat. And of course, you have the weird ashtrays on the side for those who used to smoke in the back and have a good time. But we don't really talk about that. We just talk about how beautiful the car is and how nice it rides. Other than that, now though, we're just going to get safely turned up on the lift. So just stay tuned with us to see the underneath.